Hi, this is Cooking with Tia. Today I'm going to be making Pad Thai, and here's the noodle that I'll be using. It's the pho noodle. It's called the fresh rice stick, and I'm going to make two types, shrimp and tofu. And this makes probably like 4 servings, so I'm going to divide in half because it's a lot of noodle. And the ingredients I will need: fresh rice noodle stick. I'll put in. For the seasoning, I'll use sugar, fish sauce, MSG, oyster sauce, hoisin sauce, ketchup, and tamarind. This concentrated tamarind. And for the vegan, I'll use this vegan fish sauce for the tofu. And then I'm gonna fry some eggs up. I have eggs, garlic, cilantro, bean sprout, some lime, crushed chili pepper, and some peanut. I'm going to crush the peanuts. Okay, let me start by mixing it first for the shrimp. 1 tablespoon of sugar, a teaspoon of MSG, one tablespoon of hoisin sauce, one tablespoon of oyster sauce, and all tablespoon of ketchup. And then the liquid concentrated tamarind, a tablespoon. And then a tablespoon of fish sauce. And for the vegan, I'm going to use the same, but don't add oyster or fish sauce. And frying the tofu, just a little bit of oil. A little bit of garlic. Some onions. Okay, I'm gonna put in the tofu. And the season is with black pepper, tad of sugar, and lightly, gently toss it. So I bought the silken tofu, so it breaks easily. Stir fry for 2-3 minutes. Doesn't take that long. Just kind of to heat it up. Okay, it's done. I'm gonna set it aside, and I'll cook my shrimp. Garlic browning. I'm gonna go ahead and put in the shrimp. Season just a little bit of sugar, a little bit dash of black pepper. I don't really need to season it a lot because I made the sauce for the Pad Thai. That would be the seasoning. Same thing. This side 2 to 3 minutes. I mean, you don't have to cook the shrimp through thoroughly because it will cook again. I'll put it in with the noodle. Just a little bit because it's really strong. And my egg, I just have black pepper, and I use a little bit of fish sauce to season. I'm gonna make a thin layer. This egg's not as pretty. Boil the noodle real quick. Okay, the noodles cooked. I'm gonna dump it out. Rinse it in cold water. And then I'll add vegetable oil. Then when I stir fry, then I don't have to add oil. Just only the sauce that I pre-mixed earlier. For the oil, I would say probably a couple tablespoons, maybe 2. And kind of just mix it. Okay, the noodle I split into half for the vegan and the shrimp one. I'm going to go ahead and heat up. Let me throw some garlic in here. I have a little bit of onion left. Let's just use it all. The sauce I made earlier. And this sauce is already preset when you do it. So if you want to taste, that's how your pad thai is going to taste like. It's good right there. And you can add if you want it more sour, salty, whatever, before you put the sauce in, because then it'd be harder. So this is a time if you want to put anything in. Okay, this is for the vegan one. We'll add just a tad of water. Just a little bit of water, maybe a teaspoon or so. Let me just get my onion and garlic cooked here. It's already heating up. I'm going to turn it low. It's already simmered. Go ahead and put the noodle in. I'm going to turn it back to medium. Just get the noodle cooked. Get it to cook. Heat it up for a couple minutes. Let your noodle get soft and mix it all in. And then we'll add the tofu last. Okay, it's ready. Now it's done. Turn it medium or a little bit low. I'm gonna add the tofu in. And gently toss it. The tofu. Add bean sprout, cilantro, and just toss it, I guess. Stir, toss, whatever you want to do. Yeah, I didn't want to break the tofu, so it's all in the middle. This is totally vegan. You want to be vegetarian, you can add eggs. And heat up the sauce. And stir it. This one I'm going to add sriracha. I want it a little bit spicier. I guess in the mixture you can put sriracha in just a little bit, how much you want. It's going to be a little bit spicy. The other one has none, but you can always top it off with sriracha. The other half of the noodle. This one's a little bit more redder. I think the sriracha gives it that red, and also the ketchup. Let it cook for a couple minutes before you put the shrimp in. Done. Let me go ahead and add the shrimp and onion. Let it cook. A couple minutes again. Let the shrimp cook. Now I'm going to add the bean sprout and cilantro. Garnishing it with some eggs, and I crushed some peanut to put in, and then some chili, flakes for spicy. That one I'm not gonna make it spicy. Top it off more cilantro.